The Anker 3-in-1 Cube with MagSafe, the ultimate charging solution for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. With its compact design, you can charge all three devices simultaneously without taking up too much space on your desk or nightstand. The Cube is Anker's first officially certified MagSafe product, which means it supports full 15-watt wireless charging on compatible iPhone models. It also supports Apple Watch fast charging on Series 7, Series 8, and Ultra, a significant improvement over standard charging speeds. Combine those features with a charging surface for AirPods, and you've got all of your device charging needs covered with the highest possible specs. The MagSafe phone charging surface on Anker's Cube is a platform hinge on the front, and it swings up with enough resistance that you can position it across a range of angles for maximum convenience while also revealing the AirPods charging surface beneath. This is also the first third-party MagSafe charger I've seen that doesn't use the traditional Apple-style white charging surface, instead using a dark gray surface that blends in with the rest of the Cube's body while including a stylized charging symbol and a ring of markings to provide a subtle visual representation of the MagSafe magnets. The Apple Watch charging puck on the Cube also features a clever design that can retract into the body of the Cube, which is useful while traveling or when it's otherwise not needed. A quick press on the spring-loaded charger pops it in or out. This device will run you around $150, and as always, I'll put the links in the description down below. Peace.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.